Welcome to Go Masala, where we posted Pakistani and Indian recipes. But today is slightly different because we are making buttermilk fried chicken without using any eggs. The result for this recipe, the chicken will be very crispy from outside and tender from inside. In order to make this fried chicken, you need to make the marination sauce. I used about 2-pound boneless chicken breasts and I cut them in thin slices. I used the buttermilk, and in order to add more flavor, I add some salt, black pepper, jalapeno cut in thin slices, garlic cut in thin slices, and some fresh herbs. So the next step, in order to make this fried chicken, I made the dry coating. For the dry coating, I used 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, cayenne pepper, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, and salt, and I whisk all the dry ingredients together. You can use any amount of spices, it depends on your taste, and you can also add some dry herbs if you like. I also double dip this chicken. For double dip, I take out the chicken from marination sauce to dip it in the dry ingredients, and then I dip back again in a marination sauce and dip back again to the dry ingredients. I did not use any eggs in this recipe. This fried chicken is completely eggless. For some reason I don't like the smell of the eggs, and the buttermilk worked perfectly fine to stick my dry ingredient on my chicken, and it's also keep my chicken tender and moist, the buttermilk. Last but not least is frying the chicken. Make sure you preheat your oil before, and do not fry your chicken in a very high heat, otherwise it will burn from outside and it will remain raw from inside. So I fry them in a medium heat, about 2-3 minutes, and when it's turning golden brown, then I turn it and remain cooking for 3-4 minutes, and then I take it out. In a cooling rag, I put the wax paper or tissue paper underneath so it can absorb any extra oil. That's all for this recipe. I hope you will make this recipe and enjoy it as much as my kids do. Thank you for watching, and comment below how you like your fried chicken. And please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon so you can get my recipes all the time. Thank you.